Dhananjay. I'm showing you a demo of project 4.2 for DOS, and for this project my project partner is Forum Gala. So I'll quickly pull out the code just to show you. We have a server.fs, so actually everything is converted into fsx for to run there, but we actually did all the work in a fs project. So I'm showing you in that fsx is like ugly. It's showing you so many errors. And so yeah, so so for f so yeah, so here we have one server, and then there is a client file for whenever we want to launch a user there, it will launch this client process, and then there is a server process which launches the server. So when the server is created, it actually creates a database which is called TweeterDB, and we have all the SQL queries are written in SQL queries.fsx. I'm saying FSX because that's what we'll be submitting. It's not FS. Then, like I said, here it is FSX. So and now, so our everything is in SQL, and this is our data types, which are actually we are like all our request and response are done in JSON. So every like deserialized form is written here, all the types. So when we launch our client we do http request for like every request from the user. It goes through http request to the to the address slash API with a command, which what kind of command we are like, what kind of action we want to take to uh, like post to the server, and with that we get the response. After logging in, we create a socket, and so after creating the socket, all the responses like real time feed and everything is updated through socket. So like after here we can see after successful login we are creating a socket, and at the server side this socket is saved against the user ID, because after login the user will be live. So we save the WebSocket there. So whenever like we want to like update the feed of the user, we do it dynamically. So we are like doing completely without pulling anything from the server. Everything is like done with push if you want to update the feed. So let's go back to that, and I'll quickly show you the demo. So let's start the server. I should have done it before, I guess. So sorry for the wait. Let's start our three clients. I'm showing you three clients for this demo. So one of our client has already started, and so yeah, three clients are on. So first let's register. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm typing. I want to type on this. So let's register Dhananjay with 12345 as password. You can see user is registered. Let's try logging in. So yeah, I forgot to tell you, when we have to like everything is terminal based here. So if we want to do an action, we separated with forward slash. So like I wrote Dhananjay register forward slash Dhananjay slash 1235 Similarly, I'll do login forward slash Dhananjay. What if I put a wrong password here? You can see there's an authentication error. So let's everything is going to our SQLite database, which I will pull out later. 12345. So Dhananjay is logged in, and socket for Dhananjay is also created now. So similarly, let's quickly register another user, Forum 12345. We'll keep the password same for simplicity here. Login Forum 12345. Another user, register, let's say Avanti with password 12345, and we'll register We'll log in Avanti 1 2 3 4 5. So yeah, so our three users are created. Let's make forum follow Dhananjay, follow / Dhananjay. Forum is now following Dhananjay. Let's make Avanti follow both Dhananjay and forum. So follow / Dhananjay first, then follow / Avanti. Oh, I'm sorry, it's forum. So Avanti is following both of us. So yeah, so now what if I want to put a tweet? Hey, I'm new here, even though you guys already started following me, #popular. So yeah, so we can see Dhananjay tweeted it, and for both forum and Avanti were following Dhananjay, so they got the tweet real time on their feed. This is done through Socket, and we can see I'll later on show you like there's also a hashtag there. Similarly, if forum tweets and also mentions Dhananjay grow up #still a kid. So so forum is mentioning Dhananjay here with the #still a kid. So we can see this is also pushed to Avanti because Avanti is following forum. Now Dhananjay was mentioned, so if Dhananjay wants to see it's mentioned, so we can call my mention, and we will see the mentions which are like there are mentions here. So what we can see is like I want to show you whenever we are tweeting here we are getting a response in JSON. So what is it it's doing is like it's generating a tweet ID at the back end and then pushing it to the SQLite database, and then you can see some fields like tweet ID is there, user ID is there, then is it a retweet, and if it's a retweet is there any origin, like obviously if it's a retweet there should be an original owner can be Dhananjay himself, like he can actually tweet himself, like I can tweet my tweet again, so or someone else's tweet. So so retweet is there, so we can like let's put some mentions here, like let's let Avanti tweet I just want to use hashtags, #YOLO, #I am lazy. So we have put a tweet here. We are always getting the response for our own tweet. We are actually generating our tweet ID, so I'm showing you. So every connection is every request response is done in JSON, and like if Dhananjay wants to search like how many tweets are using the YOLO hashtag, so we'll write here #search / YOLO. Yes, we can see now, like we can see the tweet which are using the #YOLO. We can see the tweet ID. We can see the owner of the tweet, user ID of the tweet, which is Avanti. So yeah, everything is like visible there. So what if so yeah, so now what if Avanti wants to refresh their like her feed here? So let Avanti will just type feed, and this will show you the feed. So all the tweets, like there was a tweet from forum, there was a tweet from Dhananjay, so and there was like yeah, there are like multiple tweets. So this is tweets from Dhananjay and forum, so everything is here in a JSON array. So yeah, so now I'll show you so yeah, I've shown you right now register, login, follow, tweet, retweet, my mention, hashtag search, and I've also shown you real time feed which is pushed to the users. I just want to quickly go through the. Okay, this is an old one, but I want to quickly show you the SQLite. Just a minute. So yeah. So let's browse the data. All the tweets which are there, which were like posted are there, and we can see all the users and the passwords of the users. I know password should not be like written like this. We can see the tweets here. We can see Dhananjay was mentioned in a tweet, and we can see which tweet ID. And this is for like quicker querying of tweet for like the mentions of Dhananjay. So it's against the mention ID. So we do a querying against, and then there is a hashtag master. So every time we tweet something, the hashtags are like filtered out and posted in hashtag master. And like if all the hashtags which are used, like if I'll be using I am lazy again, there will be another tweet here, like we can see Avanti used two hashtags, and we can see two entries. Like for hashtag YOLO, we can see the tweet ID here, and for also hashtag I'm lazy, we can see the same tweet ID because two hashtags were used. This is for quicker querying of the hashtags here, filtering of the hashtags, like which tweets are using the hashtag. So yeah, so this is our complete table. Thank you. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much from me and Forum Kala.